In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and customize transitions in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import the video clips you want to use and add them to the timeline in the sequence you want them to play. If you want to adjust the duration of your video clips, just use the split tool to cut the layer or drag its edges. Just repeat these steps until you finish adding all your videos in the timeline. To add a transition between two clips, select the first clip on the timeline, click on the transition. This will open the transition library where you can choose from a variety of transition effects. Browse through the transition options and select the one that best fits your video. For this tutorial, let's choose the black fade transition. Once you've selected your transition, you can customize its duration. Click on the transition icon in the timeline and adjust the duration slider to make the transition longer or shorter. If you want to apply the same transition to multiple clips, you can do it easily. Just select the transition you want, click the Apply to All button, and CapCut will add the transition between all your clips. Preview the video to see the effects. Now, let's say you want to replace a transition. Select the transition in the timeline and use the Delete button to remove it. Now you can go back to the Transition tab and select another one. Repeat these steps for any other transitions you want to add between your clips. Play back your video to see how the transition looks. If you're not satisfied, you can always go back and adjust the settings until it fits your vision. Once you're happy with all the transition, click Export. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized transitions in CapCut. Thank you for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!